Okay, so this is to display my excitement for my new motor. It's only one. It is a clockwise motor. You can see the little arrows. And here you can see the old motor. And you can see that it is apparently damaged because I opened it. If you look close enough, you can see that there's some burning. And if you had a good image, you could probably see where I ripped off the wires that were sticking out and hanging out everywhere. But I did fly it until it seized. And so this copter will be my primary flying copter for tomorrow, with this only coming out if this gets broken, which is what I've been flying. And then this is third choice, only because it doesn't have a VTX right now. Otherwise, this would be third choice. And this copter, I recently installed a Minim OSD and figured out how to set it up and everything. I used some videos. Actually, I used Project Blue Falcon's video, which is significant because Project Blue Falcon died in July. And when you look him up, then everybody still talks about it because he made so many videos on how to do things with RC quadcopters, and literally thousands of people used his videos to make their things work. Particularly if you bought like cheapy knockoff clones and stuff, and maybe they have some firmware issues, then he was, you should buy American, but this is how you do it if you didn't. So, every time I've used his videos, I had a success.